What's up traders, welcome back to Bangkok in Thailand. Today I want to share with you what to do on Fridays. Should you trade? Should you stop trading? What should you do? What should you focus on? We'll talk about that today. So imagine this, you're having a pretty good week in trading and your results are good, you're pretty happy with what you've done, you've planned everything around, and then comes Friday. Do you keep trading? Do you keep doing the same thing you've done for the whole week before? Or do you change things a little bit? It's a question that I've been wondering myself for a while. And after a lot of analysis, I came to understand that my strategy didn't work well on Fridays, so I stopped trading it. But what about you? There's some things you can do, some things you can look at, and I want to share with you the best thing to do, but you'll have to kind of do the work yourself afterward. So if you watch this video and then do nothing after, that's not good. You want to be able to apply the things we talk about in this video, and that's going to be the best thing to do. As a quick reminder, if you're not subscribed yet, click the subscribe button below the video. Click the bell also to be notified of future videos, and that way you won't miss anything. Plus, I can help you become a better trader this year. So back to Fridays. The first option you have is to take the day off. A lot of people have to do the preparation for the week and they usually will do it on Sunday or Saturday. But what about taking the time on Friday where you're not profitable to do that review analysis, review your trades, go back in your journal, do all the work you should do to prepare yourself for the end of this week and the beginning of next week. That could be a really good way to do things. So instead of spending your weekend on charts and away from your family, you can actually take that time on Friday, do your work, and then spend the weekend relaxing and having fun with your family. That's a cool way to do things, I think. And you get in the weekend with a clear mind and a good peace of mind. The second way to deal with Fridays is to basically reduce size. And that's good because maybe your trades are less profitable on Fridays, or maybe you tend to screw up more on Fridays. And by reducing your size, you allow yourself to trade and get the benefit of the gain you could have on Fridays. But at the same time, you're not like screwing up your whole week with only one day, with the Friday. So that's a good thing. If you have your 1% size per trade or 2% size per trade, bring it down to maybe 0.5 or 0.25% per trade and trade it like usual. Best case, you have a small profit on top. Worst case, you have a small loss and it's not going to wipe out your whole week, which is a good thing. But you'll be able to practice your plan and still make progress toward your goal. After taking a day off, that will be pretty much my second favorite. The third option you have, which I would say works really well if you're able to do it, is to be more selective. And that means a few things. So one option could be instead of taking all the trade, you take only the 5-star trade, the best, or the A+ trades, and basically only the best ones, which means that your results are likely to be better than if you took all the trades you normally take. But that requires you to kind of classify your trades into different categories. So C, B, A+, and all of that. If you don't want to do that, then maybe it's a case of on Fridays you only let your algo take trades and not your discretionary trades, so you are less likely to screw things up, and that could be a way to do it too. So depending on how you do things, you might want to find a way to be more selective and pick only the best things or the things that tend to produce less errors in trading on Fridays. And the last thing would be to basically go for it. So if you feel like things are in order and in place and you know your system is likely to be profitable on Fridays, why not just go for it and trade like usual? One thing you could do though with that aspect of like going for it is to maybe just change your targets. So if Friday goes really well, you can extend your target, go a little bit beyond what you would normally go for. And that could be a good way to just benefit from a bigger move in the market and not be screwed with your whole week at the same time. Or you could just manage your trades a little bit better on Friday. And that counts for increasing your profit on Fridays, which is a good thing for sure. So those are tips you can apply. Hope this makes sense. I want you to comment below in the comment section with the tip that you feel is most applicable for you. So either taking the day off, reducing your size, being more selective, or just going for it and trading with your risk management as usual. I want to hear in the comment section below. Here are a few comments for the past video. I appreciate you guys for leaving your comments as always in the comment section. And if you want to get more help from me, I've put together a video. It's going to be linked below in the description, the first link. And that video will teach you things that I help my students with a lot and that people tend to struggle with a lot, but that we can flip around and make them more to your advantage. Things that will help you a lot if you want to become a full-time trader or achieve your goal of trading professionally. That's linked below and I hope you check it out. With that being said, I'll catch you back here in the next video. Ciao.